Together, Lucia and Ben have saved $150. Lucia saved $2 for every $1 that Ben saved. How much money did each person save? So in this word problem, we know that together, the money put all together for both people is $150. However, they're saying that Lucia saved $2 for every $1 that Ben saved. So what we want to do is represent that maybe in the picture before we decide what we're going to answer. So we're being asked how much money did each person save. So we have two people, and let's see, Lucia, I can use L. So Lucia saved $2. So if I'm going to represent basically $2 with two blocks, or you could do it as in terms of length. So $1 and $1. For every dollar that Ben saved just $1. So every time Lucia counts by $2, Ben will be $1. Together, if we're going to add them, that's $3. That's why for every time. Now, we can continue that process and says, well, she can add $2 more, right? A picture of $2 more, and he'll get $1 more. So that's going to be another $3. Altogether, we can say it's 6. So our problem, in a way, is in groups of 3 because 2 parts, so this is 2 parts or $2 for Lucia, and 1 part for Ben makes 3 parts. So what do you think? How is that 150? So if we keep going, and we could use a table to organize or a picture, whichever way you see it, it is counting by $3, so in groups of 3. So here's an idea. So if we divide 150 by 3, what do we get in terms of money? So that's going to be each part, right? So each part, so let's say it will be 50 or 50 times, it will be $50. So what would the picture look like that? So if Ben has $50, then Lucia would have double 50. So does that make 150 altogether? Yes. So with that picture, that information, go ahead and write in a complete sentence.